known, right?
Yes,
So
yes. I
that
will
behavior
explain.
will embedded, yeah, in our mind, right? So why
Yes.
behavior remembered more than knowledge? My question was
It's
that.
not for others actually. It's for you. If your behavior is not good, it will affect you. That is what it is
Okay.
important. See here, if you're doing some business or some job, example, if your behavior is not good, you will not you're unable to maintain a relationship with your business partners, even retailers. Like if you if you some products they will sell, right? If your material sellers, retailers, collection, your employer, if your behavior is not good, they will keep on, they will move.
Okay.
And your behavior is not good, your employee will never loyal to you. If example, uh, if they will not treat your customer properly, whatever you are in the field, they will not treat the customer properly, the customer will move to some other brand.
Shall I tell something, Praveen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Entrepreneur, first of all, they sell their attitude, behavior, communication. And customer, first of all, they purchase their attitude, behavior, communication from owner or businessman or entrepreneur. After that, they test their product. Then if you don't know how to sell your attitude, behavior, communication with customer, then it hectic to run your business in the market. That's why first of all, who wants to become entrepreneur, they have to learn how to sell their attitude, behavior and communication.
You know what? I think I think my attitude is so much of expensive, so nobody wanna buy it. Do you wanna try?
Pardon?
Yeah, yeah, please carry on.
Carry on.
I don't know. Maybe network issue. Like it
No, no.
sound.
Yeah,
I
maybe
can.
some network. Its
I can.
sound is
Yeah, I can hear my voice, and it sounds like totally breaking.
same here. I could listen my voice return.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to listen others.
Yeah, it's terrible to hear myself. And I'm just wondering how you people are listening.
Yeah, Paru and Yel. Others can mute, who are only talking to others, then
Okay.
they have to unmute. Yeah, now everyone able to hear clearly or not? It's not repeating actually. Either one person should unmute whenever discuss, I guess.
Yeah, I think it is a good. I think so. I can hear you, everyone, but I don't know you people can hear me or not.
Yeah, now it's better. You can continue. Or
Okay.
want to continue? Continue.
Yeah, because you spoke about businessman, entrepreneur, you took that example. That's why I tell you, employee, if you take care your employee, after that employee take care your business. Am I right?
Yes, I observe many businessman, business, lot of things actually.
Yeah. Business is people, we only consider business is like a selling and purchase. We think it is a backbone of business, but it is not like that. Small thing we have to learn how to deal with customer, how to sell our attitude, behavior, communication with customer, and how to get profit, how to means communicate and how to take care employee or worker, and so many things, small thing, because you have to jump into market. India has copy paste business. That's why entrepreneurs should learn small thing also. They create good relationship with public, even though that public never their customer, doesn't matter, but they should learn how to build relationship with everyone. And they how to build their relationship through communication, through good behavior, through good attitude. If you go any uh, shop, and if you want to purchase any kind of cloth or any kind of grocery item, and that person never treat you as a well behavior, then you never think to purchase something from that person, right? Face value also required. If you don't have face value, I mean to say, because your attitude is not good, then people, they never means purchase from your shop. So many things, but people, they make mistake, they don't know, they only focus
Yes,
quality product, then we can
communication.
purchase. Pardon?
Yeah, can you mute yourself? Communications and attitude and body language and language, how you are raising your voice, everything will decide actually. Even I saw one businessman example. They are uh, well wealth actually, but they are paying very little salary to their employees. Because in rural area they don't have other options. If it is city, they will have the some other option to work, they will move to the next job. If it is a rural, they have the only few company. You will get the cheap labors. He's utilizing the labors. Keep on 5,000 6,000. They will pay in monthly. Hardly they will pay for 7,000 8,000. Nowadays they are paying 7 and 8. But their work will be hard. 9 hours 10 hours they will do the work. But employer, they will not increase the salary yearly, not even 50 rupees per day also. But what the employer will do, if someone is come to the uh, order for, it is a kind of textile related job. They are manufacturing, they are seller as well. What they will do, they have the connection with the purchaser, retail shop owners, retail shop who are ordering. They will have the connection with that persons. What they will do, if they are ordering for 1,000 product for the same particular top or jean, uh, the top itself, three variety will be there. Example, one top will be 500, one top will be 1,000, one top will be 1,100. Means they will change the code name, description name, they will change. uh, for 1,000 rupees top, they will include few 1,500 rupees top. After that, when they will going to collect the money, the particular person, they will give some commission to indirect way. So if you are not treating your employee, your behavior is not good, you will get loss. Not immediately, definitely one day you will get loss.
You are right. In some cases, B2C business is a different and B2B business is a different, right? Because B2B business people, they get also benefit, and B2C business people, because you depend retailer, you depend distributor, and after that you do in B2B, right? But B2C means direct, you interact with customer. And because that's why before I spoke about it, if you take care your employee, they take care your business. I mean to say, you consider them as your family members, and you always participate their function, their family function. If you celebrate any function, you invite them whole family, and you give them bonus on time, and you provide them holiday also. So many things, right? That's why good entrepreneur, they capture the market due to their worker. And some employee, some entrepreneur, they cannot capture the market due to lack of observation, lack of knowledge about it, how to run the business. They only think means selling and purchase or sell, two thing is a business. They never take care their worker, They don't have a good quality product, their attitude behavior is a different, and their whole family member possess it to the worker. If they have any house work, they involve that employee their home, they never give them freedom, they always control them, and they have a bossy nature, they have a dominating nature, they always scold them if they make mistake. There's so many things, right? That's why if you want to become an entrepreneur, then you make a team who interact with customer, you evaluate, you train them, then it is a better. You interact them. First of all, they don't have knowledge about it, how to talk, right? Then if you provide them training, how to talk, how to behavior, how to provide a good service with good quality product. And because that's why God gifted us two ear one mouth. If you want to become an entrepreneur, then you open your two ear and you keep silent, you listen more, and you keep you less speak in front of customer. If you make mistake, if you they get any kind of defect from your product, then you tell them, so sorry, I will exchange that product. Then so
Okay.
many things, right?
Okay, ma'am, I would, yeah, sorry for interruption. I would like to ask one more question.
Mhm.
Yeah, can knowledge be harmful without good behavior? What is your take on it? Got my point?
Could you repeat once again?
Yeah, yeah. Can knowledge be harmful without good behavior?
Yeah.
Without good behavior.
Yes, of course, definitely. Because
If
first of
our behavior is not good, then our knowledge will get harmful because of that. So, what is your take on?
okay, even though you see well educated people, they have a good knowledge. They don't know how to interact with public. They don't have means confidence to go on the stage, and they cannot influence the people. But they have a good degree, they have a good knowledge. People, they don't like their attitude behavior. They know that person is a well educated, that person have a double degree on his hand, but they don't have good behavior and communication. That's why people maintain the social distance from that person, and that person become isolate from social means social culture, social atmosphere, right? People, they don't ready to talk with that person because they know his or her behavior. People know everything, right? But first of all, people, they never ask your degree. First of all, they evaluate your behavior. If they see your good behavior, they consider he or she belongs to good family, and he or she comes from good civilization society. And after that, they go through your degree and knowledge. First of all, they evaluate your behavior and attitude. First of all, you have to sell your behavior and attitude in front of public. After that, they judge you, they evaluate your degree or something, right? Then definitely, because if you have good degree but you don't have good friend circle, you don't have social society, you don't have any kind of person beside you, you feel always isolate. What will you do your degree or knowledge? Because you cannot discuss with anyone, you cannot disclose your that knowledge in front of anyone, right?
Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah, you are right, and I agree with your point. And as you said, when knowledge is not guided by good behavior, right?
Yeah,
At that time, it can be misused because
yeah,
intelligent people with bad intention can cause more damage, right? Than
right,
uneducated people. Yeah, because
right,
at that time our mind is start thinking different way, because behavior and knowledge both are drastic change, because whatever we are thinking, it's comes by our knowledge, right? But our
right,
behavior we can't relate. So because sometimes we try to use our knowledge, but our behavior is not seems to be correlated. At that time we get affected by them. For
right.
example, we all are here doing conversation, right, related this topic, whatever topic is given, yeah, was given by that Prithvi, right? And we are just listening, contemplating about it. What is your take on? And if we are trying to think abruptly, okay, what the answer has been told by your side, right? And I'm trying to understand, and again question I'm getting in my mind, it popped up in my mind, I'm trying to share. So if I will ask him question in bad behavior,
Hmm,
right, it
hmm,
will affect on my knowledge, right? Because
right,
somewhere I might think that, yeah, my way of asking question was not good, because I here it might create the, violent, I mean, chaotic situation as well. So it is inside us, maintaining all the things, our behavior, our knowledge should be balanced, I would say that. It is simple example. So what is your take on, Praveen? Are you here?
I
I
think,
think you must be
Yeah, yeah,
having food.
yeah, Paro. Actually, even I agree it should be balanced. Even I want to highlight one more point in this year. In, in everywhere, not even office, in your family relative or office, so they are judging. If you are a calm, or if you are keep on talking very truthful details to them, they are thinking that you are innocent. Okay, so that is also they should not think you are like innocent, but in your way of talk, if you are highlighting, if you are a very calm person, if you are telling all the truths to others, they will think you are an innocent person. They can easily cheat you. You are a easiest target for everywhere. You are agree that people are judging like that.
Yes, yes, why not? People judge because they think different way, right? Their way of perception is bit different. We are being judged by them.
Yes, because of we should careful. Others should not think about these aspect also. Others should not think about he or she is attitude person. That is also it will become a negative. One more side, others they should not judge. You are an innocent person. But even though if they judge, also it won't work out. Later on, they will realize when we are take necessary actions, when we are give the response, they will get to know. But we cannot do with all those people. Even I face my life, even my beginning times, my career beginning time. I will say the truth to everyone, but everyone will think I'm a easy target. I'm a fool, like that I will think. But later